And they are from Revolution Mortgage. Got a blank scare here. This is Ginny Foster, and she's a loan officer with that bank. 13 years in the business, in the local bank. She's been in the mortgage industry since 2017. Right? She lived in Dayton area for the last 20 plus years. And for her, a customer service is a top priority, and that way it should be for any profession. Okay? And hate the word no. That's her motto. She has an 80-year-old daughter and a 2-year-old mini Labrador. Labradoodle.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. Now here's our Sherry there. Sherry Miller. She's a branch production manager of Revolution Mortgage, 15 years with the local bank, 4 years in the real estate mortgage industry company, over a year of management of Revolution Mortgage branch. Born and raised in Ohio, lived in Cincinnati for 20 plus years. Customer service is a top priority, like I said that. Hate the word no also. She had 2 nieces, a nephew, and a 2-year-old Australian Shepherd.
She both thought it was a good idea to get dogs about the same time.
Yeah. With that, I'm going to turn it over to them. I talked to them about some products that we as investors can put it in the long haul. When you acquire the property, usually it's a short-term loan, apartment loan, private loan, whatever, owner financing. It's a short-term, 1 or 2 or 3 years. After that, you got to turn it into a long-term, and they're going to tell us how to do that. If you're in the business of purchasing, rehabbing, reselling properties, they have some products for the first-time home buyers also. So with that, it's all yours.
Thank you. Thank you. First and foremost, we're going to do a $50 gas giveaway at the end, gas cards. So we have some slips up here if you just want to pass one, slide it down, and then I'll come around with the baskets for the end. But
pass them around.
so just a little bit about Revolution Mortgage. Revolution Mortgage was founded in 2018. It's based out of Columbus, Ohio. So it's from 4 guys that worked at the big banks.
I want to be able to see the text as I see you.
Oh, okay. Right here?
Thank you.
Okay. That's going to be hard because I like to walk and talk,
Okay,
so
it's okay.
I apologize. So Revolution Mortgage, based out of Columbus, Ohio, was established in 2018 by about 4 guys. They are from the big banks, Key, Chase, what have you. They said, hey, we just want to do things differently. So they combined their money and they opened Revolution Mortgage. We're across the country. I think there's 4 or 5 states that we're not into: California, New York, I think Hawaii. We're not in Hawaii, and I don't know if the other 2, but we want to get to be about 150 branches, and then that's it. Just grow internally from there. So me and my significant other, we have a business relationship partnership with one of the original branches up in Columbus. Our branch is in Mason, downtown Mason. Ginny is my loan officer that covers the Dayton market, and then I have 2 other loan officers in the Cincinnati area as well. So that's a little bit about Revolution. A couple things that they do differently if you've not heard about them. A couple slick things. We have a mobile app that's pretty cool. So I could be sitting at my nephew's baseball game and I can do a pre-approval for someone right over the phone, right with my cell phone. The app also allows customers to go in there and do price points, payment options, and that kind of stuff. The other thing is we do hybrid closings. That's a big thing too, where you're not going to the closing table and spending an hour there. It's like 20 minutes. You're signing most of your docs prior to getting there from that standpoint. We do all the traditional standard loans. One of my loan officers calls it the very vanilla loans. Conventional, VA, FHA, USDA. But we also have a slew of other types of programs, and that's what we sort of brought to you guys here to talk about some different options to help in this interesting real estate world, as we call it right now, right? So that's a little bit about Revolution. Did I miss anything from that standpoint?
I don't really think so.
Okay, so as Sean had mentioned, Ginny and I worked together. We've worked together now for 6 years. 6 years. So we were both at a previous real estate company as an in-house lender, and then in November of 21, Alvin and I opened up Revolution Mortgage, and Ginny
Integrated Dayton RIA is a great source of information for real estate investors. You can learn what you need to do to succeed. You can learn the different opportunities that there are in the marketplace, and you can meet a lot of people that know about this from their own experience.
It's a fantastic organization because you can network with more seasoned investors. You meet all kinds of different vendors each time, insurance companies, title companies. There's always a different group of people here. And even though I've been involved in real estate since '99, every time I come to a meeting I learn something different. You could also find contractors here. It's just a really great way to network.
The benefits that I've gotten from GD RIA over the years is being able to tap into a pool of knowledge from experienced investors, experienced speakers that allow me to overcome any obstacles I might have from what I'm not familiar
In
with.
GD RIA, we learned that this is a team sport, and
Usually,
being a landlord requires quite a few people to help. In GD RIA, we found our accountant, attorney, property manager, realtor who furnishes the leads for the properties, and I believe the appraisers.
GD RIA in 2010 to invest. The whole team was there. I had a property manager, realtors who had deals, and now I have 4 houses that are all turnkey solutions. I've invested in private LLCs. I didn't bought a note. So by joining an organization like GD RIA, you too can learn how to be a good investor.
And we are an approved vendor with GD RIA. We've been with you guys about 4 or 5 years now, and we love networking with the members, and we're here to help. So anything that they need help with, you can find us here every meeting and ask us whatever questions you need to.
You guys have a location?